Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Dr. A back in the garden. I'm just having such a grand time in beautiful Athens, Georgia, on this lovely July day. And it's summertime, and in this part of the world, and in many parts of the country, it's crepe myrtle time. I've forever been asking breeders and whoever wants to listen to me to develop a good dwarf crepe myrtle, and there are some out there for sure. But this is one of my favorites. I've seen it in the trial gardens here in the University of Georgia, and you're looking at my back garden. This is in a container. This is Cherry Delight. It's part of the Crepe Myrtle program, the Great Myrtle program, and this is just a terrific plant. So, you know, what can I tell you? It's a crepe myrtle. It's flowering in a dozen different branches, and it's staying the size I want it to stay. So on my deck, which is what you're looking at here, it fits just perfectly. A dwarf crepe myrtle. We've got trees, we've got shrubs, now we've got plants that we can put anywhere we'd like. Good job for everybody involved in this. Anybody who is landscaping or gardening, don't even think twice. This is Cherry Delight, the Great Myrtle program. Have a ball. See you in the garden. Dr. A. Until then.